How to remove Messenger account from PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove Messenger account from PC. Start by opening Facebook on your computer. Then click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on See More in Account Center. After that, select your personal details. Now click on Account Ownership and Control and then choose Deactivation or Deletion. Next, select your username, choose Delete Account, and click on Continue to finalize the process. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.